It's early morning and the sun's just coming up. The air outside is cool and fresh. Sandy is a golden retriever with soft golden fur and big brown eyes. She's always loved mornings. Then she hears it. The sound of her leash. She's at the door in seconds, tail wagging like crazy. "Good morning, Sandy," says her owner Mike. "Time for a walk." Sandy jumps up and down. She can hardly contain herself. Mike clips on her leash, opens the front door, and Sandy steps outside. She takes a long, slow sniff of the morning air. The street's quiet. No cars yet, just a few birds singing somewhere in the trees. Sandy walks close beside Mike, her nose moving constantly, taking in everything around her. She sniffs the grass, a flower by the fence, the bottom of a lamppost. Everything out here tells a story. At the end of the street is a small park with a path that loops around a wide pond. Sandy spots a duck sitting quietly on the water. She freezes and stares. The duck doesn't even blink. She looks up at Mike. He smiles. "Just a duck, Sandy." They carry on. The morning light's getting warmer, and a few early joggers are out on the path. Sandy wags her tail at everyone she passes. At the far end of the park there's a wooden bench. Mike sits down for a moment. Sandy settles in beside him, rests her head on his knee, and lets out a slow breath. Mike strokes her ears. It's perfectly peaceful out here. After a few minutes they head home the same way they came. Sandy's tired now, but the good kind of tired. Back home, Mike unclips the leash. Sandy goes straight to her water bowl and drinks deeply. Then she finds her spot by the window, curls up, and closes her eyes. The sun's fully up now, warm on her fur. It was a good walk.